Euro USD remains a sell. It's still under a strong downside pressure ahead of the non-farm payrolls, ahead of the US data dump. Very important right now. Maybe it could try to rebound, but better than expected US data could force the Euro USD to approach and reach new lows. Okay, so it's very important. Right now it has reached maybe a demand zone, downside obstacles. It could try to rebound, but the pressure is still high, and it could approach and reach new lows. So first of all, here 1 hour chart. I believe that I talked about this demand zone yesterday during my my webinar live trade session. Yeah, here 1.0590, and it has tried to rebound, but it has extended its sell-off, and it stands right above this static support or former low 1.0505. Okay, and sharp movements in the short term today. And don't forget that later today we'll have yeah, only because earlier, yeah, CPI consumer price index flash estimate from Eurozone 9.2% versus 9.6% up expected. Core CPI flash estimate 5.2 versus 5.1 expected. Retail sales 0.8 percent growth, beating 0.5% growth expected. So mixed data from Eurozone. That's why we had sharp movements in the short term and high volatility. But the pressure remains high after yeah, as you already know from my webinars and from my analysis, the US reported better than expected data yesterday. So today, very important, the US is to release the non-farm payrolls, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate, also services PMI data. So most likely the economic data and the fundamentals will move the markets, will bring sharp movements. Okay, we already had here the euro versus USD already registered and printed sharp movements in both directions in the short term. So yeah, yesterday ADP non-farm employment change better than expected, unemployment claims better than expected. Sorry about this. Final services PMI better than expected, and but don't forget that non-farm employment change later today, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate, ISM services PMI. All these could really shake the markets, could bring sharp movements and strong moves. So personally, maybe I'm looking for potential shorts. Also, I've talked about the dollar index today for the VIP group, for the VIP members, and I've said that maybe we could have an upside continuation on here on the dollar index. Yeah, I've talked about this scenario after taking out 105.23 after retesting here the inside sliding line. So right now it challenges 105.43, 105.43, and taking this out or retest could bring us new US dollar longs. But also we need in line with expectations US data maybe. Yeah, for the US dollar to continue its appreciation, to continue its growth, for the dollar index to jump higher. So better than expected US data or in line with expectations data could force the Euro USD to drop. So 1.0505 as my level here, support, key level, downside obstacle. Very important also S3, weekly S3, because taking out this and invalidating this demand zone, taking out the support levels could signal a potential deeper drop. And yeah, maybe I would like to see a rebound here towards this supply zone, supply area in the short term. Yeah, we already had a rebound. Okay, retest. It has retested this supply zone, and then sell off. Maybe I would like to see a new retest here before extending its sell off. But the pressure is downside pressure is still high, and in my opinion, only a false, worse than expected US data could force the Euro USD to turn to the upside, to develop a new rally upwards movement. And yeah, only because this scenario, if the US will report worse than expected data and pure data, then the dollar index will drop. Okay, so this is my opinion. I'm looking for potential new shorts, potential rebound here, or after taking out and invalidating that demand zone, after taking out the S3 here and also 1.0505, and yeah, I'm looking for potential new shorts after this yeah, sideways movement or something, maybe a distribution pattern, and only taking out here this supply could signal a potential rebound, larger rebound. Thank you guys. So this is my opinion, and I'm looking for potential Euro USD shorts, okay, as my next trade here on this market, but only false breakdown with great separation. We'll have to be careful because only valid breakdown, because new false breakdowns could signal potential leg higher. Thank you, bye bye.